Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you to replace the door hinge on the Samsung refrigerator. We'll need a few different tools for the job. We'll leave those listed in the description below. Let's get started. For this repair, unplug or disconnect power to the refrigerator. The first thing that we'll need to do is remove the tabletop cover, which is located here. To remove the tabletop cover, start by removing these 3 Phillips screws. Now, locate the 4 locking tabs indicated by the arrows, pry on them, then flip up the cover. Be careful as it's still connected by wires. Next, use a piece of tape to secure the door in place. Next, remove the hinge fixer by rotating it up and sliding it out. Now remove the hinge by lifting up on the front of it and pulling it out. If you need a new door hinge, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. Also, hinges are side specific, so make sure you're ordering the correct side. To install the hinge, first insert the back into the slot, then align the door with the hinge and push down. To install the hinge fixer, insert it into the bracket and push it down until it locks into place. Now remove the tape. Next, flip the tabletop cover down and push on the 4 tabs until they lock into place. Now, reinstall the 3 Phillips screws. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.